About Salesforce Training. Professional Salesforce Training. The Salesforce is world's #1 CRM cloud-based software, which helps any organization to increase sales revenues, lead conversion, customer satisfaction and faster deployment. It is very simple and can connect with customers across the globe. This training course is designed to learn and master the concepts of being a Salesforce administrator and a Salesforce platform app builder. Our Salesforce training will help you learn how to configure, collect, analyze and retrieve all of the crucial information of your customer base. Our classes will help you to understand Salesforce online application development and the deployment of next-generation cloud apps. Course overview. The Salesforce training will help you to clear the 2 Salesforce exams, and teach you the core administrative features of CRM. You'll learn analytics and customization skills to tailor the system to your specific implementation and master the declarative capabilities of the Force.com platform to create new applications. By the end of this training course, you will be able to configure and manage Sales and Service Cloud. Gain insight into each of the functional user groups, inside sales, outside sales, marketing, customer support and management. Implement automation, security, debugging, data validation and customize apps. Deploy applications and manage changes to the Force.com platform. Develop new applications using the declarative interface and Force.com fundamentals. Configure the user interface. There are no prior requirements needed to learn Salesforce course. However, working knowledge as an administrator or a developer or a functional consultant will be an advantage. There are no prerequisites to do ADM 201 and Dev 401 examinations. This Salesforce Certification Training course is suitable for individuals looking to build a career in Salesforce, notably app builders, developers, system administrators, sales representatives, IT managers, product managers. System requirement: Windows XP SP3 or higher. Mac OS X 10.6 or higher. Internet speed, preferably 512 kbps or higher. Headset, speakers, and microphone. You a Euro TMLL need headphones or speakers to hear instruction clearly, as well as a microphone to talk to others. You can use a headset with a built-in microphone, or separate speakers and microphone. Salesforce Syllabus. Introduction to Cloud Computing. Goal: get to know about cloud computing concepts, SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, service model, public, private, community and hybrid cloud models. Objectives: upon completing this module, you should be able to understand cloud computing concepts. What is cloud computing? SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, service model, public, private, community and hybrid cloud deployment models. CRM and PaaS market. What is SFDC, Salesforce One? What are the benefits of Force.com platform? How can I develop apps with Force.com? Multi-tenant, single-tenant? Architecture. Metadata-driven architecture. Topics: Service and deployment models in the cloud. Market situation. Cloud ownership. Introduction to SF1 and Force.com platform. Declarative and programmatic options in Force.com. Metadata-driven architecture. Multi-tenant. Business and IT benefits. Use of SF1. Building blocks of Force.com platform and introduction to Student Master App. Goal: learn to build a custom app on Force.com platform, different licenses in SFDC. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to how to build a custom app on Force.com platform. Understand company profile and license types. Understand user licenses available in the developer org. Understand page layout, search layouts. Understand object limits. Understand the app we are going to build during this course. Topics: sign up for a free environment, org. Adding company logo. Benefits of system overview. Salesforce key building blocks. Additions and different environments available. MVC pattern. Student app. Student app master basic data model. Student master and marks, grades. Student master basic security model. Student master reports. Student master application scope. SDFC data model, objects, relationships and fields. Goal: this module presents to you the understanding of standard and custom objects, standard and custom fields and data types, various relationships, lookup filters, schema builder, and explains the implications of deleting fields. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to difference between standard and custom objects, standard and custom fields and data types, different type of relationships, master detail, lookup, junction object, schema builder, the constraints related to different types of relationships and when to use them, search layout. Topics: create custom objects and understand various properties in the object definition section. Customize standard objects. Field and data types. Custom field prosperities. Field dependencies. Types of relationship fields. Search layouts. SDFC security model object, record and field level features. Goal: learn organization-wide defaults, role and role hierarchy, criteria-based sharing, manual sharing and apex sharing reasons. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to the difference between object and record level security, record level and field level security, organization-wide defaults, OWD, role and role hierarchy, criteria-based, manual sharing, apex sharing reasons. Various features available to implement object and record level security mind map. Topics: security model mind map, record level and object level, organization-wide defaults, organization-wide defaults, student app, role and role hierarchy, criteria-based sharing, different ways to gain record level access, public group, queue, public group versus queue, business logic. Goal: learn to work on custom and standard objects, enforcing data quality, integrity and validation rules. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to explain how to create, delete, and customize record types for custom and standard objects. Given a scenario, determine the appropriate record types and business processes for custom and standard objects. Describe when to use and how to create formula fields. Enforcing data quality and integrity. Validation rules. Cross-object and roll-up summary. Topics: business logic mind map. Different options to implement business logic. Functions. Formula. Validation rules. Roll-up summary fields. Record types and page layouts. Business process automation. Goal: this module will help you in learning capabilities and use cases for the approval process and introduction to Lightning Process Builder. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to when workflow rules are evaluated, the capabilities of workflow rules and actions. Given a scenario, identify the appropriate workflow solution. The capabilities and use cases for the approval process. Introduction to Lightning Process Builder. Topics: business process automation. Business requirements, workflow rules. Workflow, actions, time when action takes place. Workflow, actions. Workflow, considerations. Approvals, introduction. Approvals, how to create a process. Approvals, actions. Approvals, how and what can approvers do. Introduction to Sales Cloud. Goal: this module will explain the different sales processes in any organization, Sales productivity features, lead management, products and price books, campaign management. Objectives. At the end of this module, you should be able to understand the different sales processes in any organization. Explain sales productivity features. Define lead management. Topics: Sales Cloud, Sales Process, Sales Productivity Features, Lead Management, Lead Auto Response, Lead Assignment, Web to Lead, Accounts and Contacts Management, Opportunities, Campaign Management, Price Book, Products, Price Book Entries. Introduction to Service Cloud. Goal: learn capabilities of case management. Given a scenario, identify how to automate case management. Capabilities of solution management, the necessary skills of communities and the abilities of Salesforce knowledge. Objectives. At the end of this module, you should be able to describe the capabilities of case management. Identify how to automate case management. Describe the capabilities of solution management. Describe the basic capabilities of communities. Describe the capabilities of the community application, such as ideas and answers. Describe the capabilities of Salesforce knowledge. Topics: Service Cloud, Case Management, Typical Service and Support Process, Automation, Web to Case and Auto Response, Automation, Email to Case, Automation, Assignment Rules, Automation, Escalation Rules, Email Templates in Case Management, Channels, Case Resolution, Solutions, Case Resolution using Knowledge, Communities Basics, Communities Setup and Administration, Communities, Ideas and Answers, Data Handling and Processing. Goal: this module introduces you to the concept of identifying tools and use cases for managing data, capabilities and implications of the data validation tools and the different ways to back up data. Objectives: by the end of this module, you should learn about importing, updating, transferring, and mass deleting data. Identify tools and use cases for managing data. Define capabilities and implications of the data validation tools and different ways to back up data. Topics: Data Handling and Processing Overview. Exporting data and regular backup. External ID and unique fields. Import. Install Apex Data Loader. Use the Import Wizard and Data Loader and compare the features, update, upsert operations, delete and hard delete records. Transfer record ownership. Records and dashboards. Goal: create or customize a report, know the impact of the sharing model on reports, and options available when creating and modifying dashboards. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to create a report in tabular form, customize a report, create and modify a dashboard. Topics: execute a report with and without modifications. Create a tabular report, summary and matrix report. Report and security. Report builder and standard reports available. Add a chart and few other features like highlighting. Create a custom report type and store in a folder. User filters in reports. Create a dashboard. Bucket field. Tabular report significance. Summary report significance. Matrix report significance. Joined report significance. Dynamic dashboard. Salesforce 1, Lightning App Builder. Salesforce A, Outlook. Goal: learn about the capabilities of Salesforce 1 and Salesforce and the installation and synchronization options of Salesforce for Outlook. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to create customizable components, define security and settings, explain admin activities. Topics: customizable parts of the SF1 app, security and customizable settings, navigation menu, compact layouts and mobile cards, Basic admin activities on Salesforce A. Outlook and SF Sync Up. Activity management, App Exchange, content and folder management. Goal: in this module, you should learn use cases for App Exchange applications, and describe the capabilities of Salesforce content and activity management. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to explain activity management, folder management and App Exchange. Create and track tasks. Define templates. Topics: activity management, tasks, events and open activities. Creating and tracking tasks and events. Folders and document templates. App Exchange. Chatter, global action and publisher layouts. Salesforce Mobile. Goal: learn about the Salesforce mobile apps. Objectives: at the end of this module, you should be able to benefits of Salesforce 1. Importance of Salesforce IA. Topics: Salesforce 1. Salesforce IA. Salesforce 1 versus Salesforce IA. Deployment. Goal: in this module, you will learn deployment process in Salesforce environment. Objectives: upon completing this module, you should be able to know steps in deployment. Learn types of change sets. Understand deployment settings. Topics: outbound change sets. Inbound change sets. Deployment settings. Application cycle. Goal: get an overview of application cycle of a Salesforce project. Objectives: upon completing this module, you should be able to know milestones in application lifecycle. Working on sandbox. Know benefits of unmanaged packages. Topics: milestones. Sandboxes. Change sets. Packages. Lightning in Salesforce. Goal: get an overview on Salesforce Lightning. Objectives: upon completing this module, you should be able to know benefits of Lightning components. Learn difference between Classic and Lightning experience. Topics: Lightning components. Lightning component capabilities. Lightning components versus Visual Force. Buttons and link management. Goal: learn how to work on buttons and links. Objectives: upon completing this module, you should be able to learn adding custom buttons. Working on custom links. Know benefits of actions. Topics: creating custom buttons. Creating custom links. Creating records with actions. Global action. Object-specific action. App Exchange. Goal: learn information about App Exchange. Objectives: upon completing this module, you should be able to know benefits of App Exchange. Downloading apps. Finding apps as per need. Topics: App Exchange overview. Finding and selecting an app. Installing an app. Finding a developer. Finding a consultant. About Salesforce Certification Training. Our certification training will help you get hands-on expertise in managing and developing apps for one of the most popular CRM products in the world. Once you have completed the project successfully, you will receive Salesforce Expert Certificate. This training will also help you clear Salesforce Administrator Exam, ADM 201, and the Salesforce App Builder, Dev 401 about exam. Salesforce job placement. About 200,000 companies across geographies use Salesforce platform. There is 200% global jump in Salesforce jobs since Jan 2016. As per Business Insider, SFDC developer and architect have highest average salary across all job profiles. Salesforce certification has industry recognition in many MNCs like Cisco, Infosys, Ford, Accenture, Nokia, Wipro, Philips, IBM, Citi, Ford, etc. Salesforce Administrator and App Builder Certification Course will help you to get the Salesforce Administrator Exam, ADM 201, and the Salesforce App Builder, Dev 401, exam. Why should you take this Salesforce training course? This training course ensures that you master the concepts of being a Salesforce administrator and a Salesforce platform app builder. This course will also help you configure Salesforce, collect, analyze and retrieve all of the critical information in your customer base. This course helps you to understand Salesforce online application development and the deployment of next-generation cloud apps. We offer practical hands-on learning that will help you to gain real-time scenarios to be a successful performer and to clear the Salesforce certification exams.